Since opening in 2007, Pōmaikaʻi Elementary School has been focused on arts integration. This year, they're cultivating young minds in an exciting new way.
Every tree, every flower, bird and bee, everywhere you look and see, the earth has eyes.
So this year we focused our STEAM learning on place-based inquiry. The place is our ahupua'a, or our Maui community, and our garden. One of the things that we thought we'd do is we wanted to enliven the learning of connecting children to the aina through music.
What's happening right now is that we're learning about our environment and to teach about our environment in our school.
And so as kids were learning in the garden, they were also writing songs with a fabulous musician, Melinda Carroll. And how they did it was they would throw up their ideas, she'd ask them what they're learning about.
And we took those lines and they became literally the lyrics to the song. That was magical.
Her gifts are free, she's here for you. The earth is kind.
So at the beginning, we just started making down the lyrics, writing down some random stuff, and then we put it all in and we started making the chorus and our verses, and then she helped make the melody and all the beats to it.
She's watching you, she's watching me. To do the right thing, she'll wait and see.
One of the things that really opened my eyes at this school is how we integrate the arts genuinely into the other arts. In other words, cross-pollinating arts.
Because they're able to access the information and use it in creative ways, the understanding is deeper. It's not so literal, but it goes beyond the literal.
They even received the support of local recording artist John Cruz, who was happy to participate in this creative educational experience.
Oh, it feels great, you know. Like I said, anything that I can do to help kids understand more about life, what makes life special, what makes them special, anything to help them learn, it's really important.
It has been so beyond my imagination of how I've gotten the chance to get to know how the school operates, of how integration of arts is a daily, every subject matter in the school, and to witness and just to be an observer in the process of how learning takes place.
It makes me feel powerful because you have an opportunity to just let your voice out and sing.